Once upon a time, in a serene monastery nestled among the mist-covered mountains, there lived a wise and compassionate monk named Master Kavi. He was known throughout the region for his unwavering positivity and ability to find joy, even in the most challenging circumstances. One day, a group of young monks approached Master Kavi, troubled by the hardships they faced in their daily lives. The world outside the monastery seemed to be filled with chaos and uncertainty, and the monks were struggling to maintain their inner peace. Master Kavi gathered his disciples in the courtyard, beneath the shade of ancient cherry blossom trees. He could sense their distress and knew that it was time to impart a lesson that would change their perspective forever. With a warm smile, Master Kavi began to tell a story. Once, in a distant village, there lived a poor farmer with a magnificent white horse. The villagers admired the horse's beauty and strength, but one day, the horse escaped and ran away. The villagers lamented the farmer's misfortune, but Master Kavi, who happened to be passing through, saw things differently. He continued. When the farmer's neighbors expressed sympathy for his loss, he simply replied, "Perhaps it is a misfortune, perhaps not." A few days later, the white horse returned, leading a herd of wild horses. The villagers were amazed at the farmer's good fortune. But again he responded, "Perhaps it is a fortune, perhaps not." Master Kavi paused, allowing the wisdom of the story to sink in. "Life is filled with ups and downs, just like the farmer's journey," he said. "We cannot control the events around us, but we can control how we respond to them. Embrace each situation with an open heart, for it may hold unexpected blessings." The young monks contemplated Master Kavi's words and began to shift their perspective. They started to see challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth. The monastery echoed with laughter and joy as the monks embraced the teachings of positivity, even in the face of adversity. Master Kavi's wisdom spread beyond the monastery, reaching the neighboring villages. His simple yet profound lessons inspired countless individuals to approach life with a positive mindset, transforming the way they faced challenges. And so, in the tranquil monastery among the mist-covered mountains, the legacy of Master Kavi lived on, reminding all who encountered his teachings that true happiness comes from within, and a positive outlook can turn any misfortune into a blessing.